Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a chain and also how to single crochet down the chain. Today I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, and the yarn that I'm using is a super chunky or super bulky yarn. It is Sweet Snuggles Light. To start, we're going to be making a slip knot. I like to cross over the yarn, forming that circle, and then taking that circle and pulling the yarn right through it. And then once you do that, you can put your crochet hook on and pull it tight. Now I'll show you one more time, crossing the yarn over and pulling that bottom yarn right through. And then right after that, put your crochet hook right through the circle and pull the yarn tight. Now that we've done that, I'm going to show you how I like to hold my yarn. So this is like the tension of the yarn, so if it's too tight or too loose, it's more difficult to crochet with. So I just like to wrap it around my pinky a couple times, and then I wrap around my index finger. And there's lots of different ways you can hold your yarn. It takes time to learn how you like to do it. Now to make your first chain, we're going to be wrapping the yarn around your hook and then pulling all the way through. And that is your first chain. And now to repeat it again, yarning over your hook and pulling all the way through. Yarn over and pull through. And again, yarn over and pull through. And we're going to make 6 of these. And now that you have your 6 chains, I'll show you how to do single crochets all the way down your chain. So starting from the second chain from the hook, you're going to insert your chain through the middle, yarn over, and pull through the first one only, and then you are going to yarn over again and pull all the way through both of the hoops. And again, go inside of the next one, yarn over, pull through the first one only, yarn over again, and pull through both of the loops. Again, insert inside in the middle, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over again, and pull through both of the loops. And you can repeat this step all the way down the chain. And there you have your first chain and your first single crochet down the chain. And once you master this, you can do lots of different patterns that begin with chain. But if you don't get it the first time, just keep trying. It's definitely a learning process.